I have a new grease gun from Seesii. I've used one of their grease guns. Actually, I've used it off and on now for over a year, and they offered me a new one to try. So we have our grease gun here. We got two 2000 milliamp batteries. Here we have our hose. We need to put this all together here really quick. It does come with all the different attachments. I really like the Zerk attachment. That's my favorite one to use. And then you also have your other fittings that you might need, including an elbow one, so you can get those tight to reach places. Then you got your charger. You also got a little carry. You also got a carry strap for it. All right, so one end of the hose, we do have to connect it to our grease gun here. Make sure you do get it nice and tight so it doesn't leak out here. Like I said, I'm a fan of this one here, so this is the one I'm going to put on for the demonstration. And for me, I personally use the Mystic High Temp Red Grease. I buy it in a 10-pack, and it will last a long time that way. Now you will most likely see some residual grease, and that's because they test these out before they send them. You want to pop your top. Drop that in. Make sure you pop this one. And then we're just going to screw this back in here. Release and push this guy in. Release and push this guy. Put our battery in. Now what's also cool is that this one actually has a dial, and you can use the dial to adjust. So you got all the way up to, it looks like 6 on here. So let's try this out. We're going to have to get it pumping. It's going to take just a moment for that. All right, there it goes. And that was on the highest setting. So let's go ahead and turn that down. Just try not to get grease everywhere. All right, so like I said, you can change this dial. So put it on level 1. And just a little bit is going to come out at a time. And then you can dial that up all the way to the 6. And it's going to come out a lot faster. Definitely makes it a lot easier to pump grease in there. And then another quick demonstration with this one. You can see how fast that comes out. That's on level 6. But if you're looking for a new grease gun, it's got a really nice output. You got a dial all the way from 1 to 6 on how much you want to pump out. You also do have a switch here for low and high. I forgot to actually show that one. And this will pump grease in super fast. You also do have this light here in the front if you're trying to work in the dark. And you can turn that on and off. But if you want a great grease gun, grab you one of these.